Okay, guys, yeah, we are at the second video, and we modify more. So
Yeah.
we kind of replace our player and enemies. So let's see what's gonna be now. My son is gonna be the player. So come on, mate, play.
Okay, so play.
Show to the people how is the game.
It's a game from these guys. So, okay. Oh! I just killed them enemies. So,
Oh, you have to try again.
yeah, I just have.
Oh no.
I'm not again, and I don't want to kill these enemies. So he just tries to kill me every time, and I just kill him. So he just.
Yeah, like you see, I did a little bit of animation of the player. He's moving left, right. When he's jumping, he does another sprite, like he's turning with his back or stuff like that. But I think it's pretty good.
Okay.
He doesn't have experience, like you see, it's just 5 years old. It's his first time when he's going with the 2D platforms.
Come here. Oh!
Anyway, for the first time, it's doing a pretty good job.
Okay, so
I try to do the level easy as possible, you know, because it's a kids game, so. And it's just the first level. Oh no. Yeah, it's pretty nervous, my kid. He has too much adrenaline.
Yes, I killed that guy, and I don't want that guy.
Okay, yeah, just this is our game. I mean the evolution of our game. So we keep you in touch with. I'm gonna keep you in touch with the progress of this game. So yeah. Bye and see you in the next episode then.